So today's event is about data and APIs, how data is being used in the NHS in new ways, in public-private partnerships to redesign services, drive efficiencies and improve patient outcomes.
So events like today I think are very important to organisations like ours to actually build on the innovation and the technology developments, and doing that in partnership with our industry and academia colleagues to support that development and support that growth and understanding. But also equally important, I think, are the connections that get made, the networking that happens.
I think events like this are really important for patients and for the NHS, for academic partners and for industry, because they're bringing together all the people who care about something that is really important for the future of healthcare, to make healthcare sustainable, and to use the amazingly rich data that we could have at our fingertips to improve the way we deliver care for patients and get better value out of how we spend our money.
Events like this help us understand what's going on nationally in other organisations and how we can work together to make the best of the valuable data sets that we all are collecting in various different ways, but how we standardise that and bring that into a national data resource where we can have APIs to enable us all to work together.
I think one of the things that's really standing out for me today, so far in our discussion, is the power of bringing together different people with different interests to bring different lenses onto this problem. So we're seeing industry partners who have a particular set of expertise that we perhaps don't have in Wales within the NHS to help us do better at using information to benefit patients.
So when you're bringing in a new innovation into the industry, it's really helpful to be able to have both the vision of the academics but also real-world users. And so as an industry partner, events like this are a really good opportunity to have all the people in the same room and to find those networks.